Meaning of century. Century is a noun that means a period of 100 years. 10 daily use example sentences. 1. We are living in the 21st century. 2. The building is over a century old. 3. Electricity changed the world in the last century. 4. Many wars happened in the 20th century. 5. She studied century-old paintings. 6. This tradition has continued for a century. 7. He scored a century in the cricket match. Equals 100 runs. 8. The town was founded a century ago. 9. A lot has changed in just 1 century. 10. The invention of the Internet defined this century.